If you've ever needed to rotate an image in Google Drive and weren't sure how to do it, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to rotate an image stored in Google Drive using Google Docs. This is a simple workaround that helps when you need to fix a sideways photo, adjust an uploaded image, or prepare a file for download in the right orientation. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're inside Drive, locate the image file you want to rotate. You can use the search bar if you have a lot of files, or just browse through the folder where the image is stored. When you find the image, double-click it to open the preview window. Now, in the preview window, look at the top of the screen for the Open With dropdown. This is where Google Drive gives you options for opening the file in other Google apps. Click that dropdown, and from the list, select Google Docs. This will open your image inside a Google Docs document, which gives you a simple way to manipulate the image. Once the image opens in Google Docs, click directly on the image so it becomes selected. You should see editing controls around it. At this point, look for the circular rotate handle above the image. This handle lets you rotate the image manually. Click and drag that circular handle left or right until the image is turned to the angle you want. Keep rotating until it looks correct. If you need to be precise, you can take your time and adjust it carefully. This method is useful because it gives you a quick way to correct image orientation without needing extra software. It's especially handy if you uploaded a photo the wrong way and just want to fix it before sharing or downloading. After you've rotated the image to the correct angle, the final step is to save or download it. Click on File at the top left, then choose Download. From there, you can select the format you want, such as an image format or PDF, depending on how you plan to use the file. Google Docs will export the document with your rotated image included. And that's it. You've now rotated an image in Google Drive using a simple Google Docs method. It only takes a few steps once you know where to click, and it can save you a lot of time when dealing with sideways or misaligned images. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.